Firstly, finely chop the red and green bell peppers, onion, and parsley and set aside. For the dough, mix instant dry yeast with sugar, warm water, and vegetable oil and whisk well. Then add salt to the flour and mix it into the liquid mixture. Knead the dough by hand for 10 minutes until it becomes firm. Grease the bottom of a bowl, place the dough inside, cover it, and let it rest in the kitchen for 1 hour. After this time, punch down the dough and knead it slightly. Divide it into 6 portions, shape each portion into a round ball, and flatten them slightly with your palm. Let them rest in the kitchen for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, mix the minced meat with the chopped vegetables, tomato paste, and spices. Knead well with your hands. Roll out each dough ball into a round shape, place them on an oiled parchment paper on a baking tray, and spread the meat mixture evenly on top of each dough. Place the tray in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. After baking, you can serve the eggplant lasagna with your favorite sauce. Enjoy your meal.